Meet the Bolano Dining Side Chair with Cushion by Ratana. Clean lined, tailored, and ready to elevate everyday meals into memorable gatherings. Its slim profile and modern geometry bring a refined, designer look to patios, decks, and poolside dining without feeling fussy or overbuilt. Engineered for outdoor life, the chair features a powder-coated aluminum frame that's rust-resistant, sturdy, and pleasantly lightweight. The seat cushion is built for performance with quick-dry foam and upholstered in solution-dyed outdoor fabric options, soft to the touch, color-fast, and easy to live with season after season. Maintenance stays simple. A quick rinse or gentle wipe keeps the frame looking fresh, and the cushion covers spot clean with mild soap and water. Non-marking feet help protect deck surfaces, and the commercial quality construction offers the durability you want for sun, salt air, and changing weather. If you want a dining chair that combines elevated style, dependable materials, and all-day comfort, Bolano is a standout choice for curated outdoor spaces. So, if you're ready to learn more or shop for this item, our San Diego-based team is ready to help. They've learned about every product firsthand in our showroom, so they can answer any question you have. Or if you're not in the San Diego area, just click the link to this item in the description below.